I'd like to demonstrate the SQLite utility, and here we have the icon to open it up, and we are now inside the SQLitePad, and this allows you, it's a useful program that allows you to open up a database command prompt just there and enter useful statements like to set up databases, tables and so on, and allows you to create them, delete them, update them, insert records in the database. So we're going to set up a very simple example now. First of all, I've already loaded a couple of tables which I'm now going to show you by listing the command, the special command .tables lists out all the tables. You can see the internal Android metadata table, the players table and the games table. And for our demo we're just going to look at the games table and the players table. So since we've already set that up, you can see along there the statements we use to set up the table. The players table has got an integer, an ID field integer, primary key, followed by first name and last name. And then the games table has been set up with an ID and some text and some values which we will for weight. Okay, so now we're going to select and view the contents of one of those tables. So select all from the table we want to look at. In this case, players. P-L-A-Y-E-R-S. And then all statements finish with a semicolon. And there we have one record in there so far. First name Bobby, second name Fisher. Now I've just entered the lines of the next statement we're going to execute to insert another row into the players table. So here we have insert into players, F name, first name, last name, values, John Doe. So if we execute that, it's happy, it has accepted that. So now if we do select all the rows in that table, we should see 2 lines, 2 rows in the table. That's it. We now have 2 rows in there. There are a lot of statements that you can execute, including exporting the tables out to an external file, and you can import them as well. and values, and we can break onto another line at any point without putting the semicolon and carry on forming the statement that's going to be executed. So here we have values, open brackets, John Doe. So John, comma, Doe, and then we'll execute that. Doe, D-O-E, and semicolon, and close brackets, and now we can put the semicolon on.
Dan, I wonder if you should start this little bit again,
Okay.
because I can see there it's changed it to, instead of first name, last name, it's changed it to frame.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes. Can we stop then?
Yeah, so should we just start, if you want to delete everything in the SQL, and we can start from the Bobby Fischer bit again.
Or can you pick it?
Yeah,
up
I'll
at a
edit
certain
it off,
point
because I've
in-
already spoken, so we'll edit that bit off.
Okay.